I can't see it all. And even if I could, it would all be great. Put your picture on my